Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss about the combination reaction with an activities that's burning of magnesium ribbon. So you all know what is combination reaction. So if two or more substances combine to form a single product or one product, then that's called a combination reaction. Combine together. If two substances or more substances, they will combine together and forming a simple substance, one substance, then we call it as combination reaction. So we'll demonstrate this by taking activities of class 10 course for that burning of magnesium ribbon, the first activities of the chapter 1. So for this, I have taken a magnesium ribbon, and you might have seen there is a white coating over the magnesium. You see, it is white coating over the magnesium what is available in my lab. And if I want to burn this, then this is not catching fire, because it is usually coated with a layer of oxide. This white layer is of oxide layer. So first of all, I have to remove this oxide layer by rubbing with a sandpaper or with a knife. So I am just saving this one, rubbing this one with a knife. So this is needed to remove this oxide layer, because this oxide layer is non-combustible. So this oxide layer is not combustible. That's why you need to remove this oxide layer so that the silvery white metal gets exposed. Once the silvery white metal gets exposed, then only it will catch fire. So before burning this one, the formula is, the magnesium ribbon formula is Mg, and after rubbing this one, you see white shiny metal is visible now. This is white shiny metal is visible, and I'm taking a python and I'm trying to burn this one with non-luminous flame. You see, I'm opening the air holes, and this was, you see how it is happening, and it's burning with a white dazzling light, as well as it forms a white ash. And I want to show that there is a white ash left out in this. There is a white ash left out in this. I want to show this is the white ash. White ash is left inside this container, and then after I'm eating. So it is magnesium oxide. This layer is magnesium, this compound is magnesium oxide, magnesium combined with oxygen, and it's from magnesium oxide. And very interesting fact is that what mass of magnesium I have taken. If I weigh this ash, then this is little bit more in weight. Why? The question arises why it's gained its weight. The reason is that simply as it is a combination reactions, earlier I have only magnesium, the weight of magnesium was taken, and now I have taken the weight of magnesium and oxygen together. So obviously it is gain its weight. And I want to show the basic nature also of this compound, magnesium oxide. For that, I have taken little water, I am adding little water over here, and then after I am using one stir, and I am stirring this one, mixing this magnesium oxide into water as partially dissolves, and then I am checking whether it is acidic or basic. For that I am using one litmus paper, that is red litmus paper, and I am also using another blue litmus paper to test its acidic or basic nature. So this is the blue litmus paper I am using, and I am taking the first red litmus paper one, and I am taking a piece of paper from this bunch, and I am dipping into the solutions. Yes, can you tell me what will be the results? Yes, children. Yes, it is blue. Yes, it changed to blue. That means it is indicating basic nature. Let's try with the blue litmus paper. What color change is observed in blue litmus paper? It remains as such, blue, no changes there. So, this shows that magnesium oxide in its aqueous solution from magnesium hydroxide, and the solution is basic in nature. So, overall, the conclusions that what we have made from these activities is the combination reactions where magnesium combined with oxygen to form magnesium oxide, and later on the magnesium oxide when dissolves in water is from magnesium hydroxide. Then magnesium ribbon need to be cleaned before burning to remove the non-combustible layer of oxide. Then magnesium ribbon gain its weight as it is a combination reaction. Then magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white light giving a white ash. Then the magnesium oxide is basic in nature. Like that, usually you know the all metal oxides and hydroxides are basic in nature. Thank you.